If you run or work on an e-commerce brand, this is for you. I just launched a school community. Now, most people struggle with email not because they lack ideas, but because they watch random YouTube videos, they copy tactics from Reddit or Twitter or LinkedIn, they buy courses that feel outdated after about 2 months, and none of it actually translates into building flows, segmentation, or campaigns that drive consistent revenue. Inside my school community, I show you exactly how I run email and SMS marketing strategies for real brands doing serious volume in Klaviyo, while at the same time, brands that are just starting out. We focus on execution, not theory. If you join my school community, you learn how to set up your account properly from day one. You learn advanced sales strategies, advanced automation strategies, or flows that convert. You're gonna learn how to segment properly so that your emails stop feeling spammy, improve your deliverability, but also magnify that subscription to conversion rate. And also, you're gonna really learn how to read data within Klaviyo so that you know what to send, when to send, and who to send it to. On top of all that, so on top of all the modules and all the training that I provide, you're also gonna get live weekly breakdowns of essentially a call where anybody and everybody can join. I answer any and all questions that you guys have. Those happen once every week, right? I review real accounts, answer questions directly, and I share the exact process my agency uses to manage and scale email properly. So if you're an agency owner, an e-commerce business, or an email marketer, this school community is for you. It's not just a set and forget course, right? It's a working community where you can ask questions, get feedback, and actually implement while you learn. If you're a beginner wanting to get a clear path into email, or an operator trying to tighten up your revenue channels, this community exists to shorten that learning curve when it comes to email and SMS marketing by years. There's a link in the description to this video. Check it out, and I look forward to seeing you in our school community.